We are technology, the future of our country. We are the hope and lead the city. Uphold the Constitution with dignity, and always preserve the integrity, the blessing and independence of democracy. The Philippines have their own policy. The brightness in the dark will light up its heart. The criminology. The criminology. Criminology is a scientific study of crime, criminal and criminal justice system. It seeks truth, justice, and peace in society.
We study the cause of crime.
We analyze criminal behavior.
We apply laws and prevent violence.
We protect the rights of every individual. Criminology is not just about catching criminals.
It is about preventing crime.
It is about serving the community
With integrity. With discipline.
with responsibility. We stand for justice, peace, and public safety. As future criminologists, we are committed to uphold the law, protect the people, and make our nation a safer place.